Okay, welcome back everyone. um in our previous class, we're working on lists, right? So in this particular video, I'll be introducing nested list to us. Okay, so in order to work with the nested list, okay, let's start with our ordered list, which is our OL. Okay, so then we'll bring our list item, our LI. So here we can decide to write, okay, item 1. Remember, you can write whatever you want to write inside your LI. Okay, it depends on the concept and the kind of website you're building and what you're trying to do. Okay, you can write everything. This is just for lecture sake. That's why I'm using item 1. Okay, so we'll bring our LI again, which will be our item 2. Okay, so we'll save and then we'll refresh, right? So we can see them here, right? Item 1 and item 2. So let's say we want to nest an unordered list inside our ordered list. Okay, so what do we do now is that we come here and then we'll introduce our unordered list, which is our UL, right? Click on UL and then we introduce our list item, which is our LI, and then we can decide to write like nested 1. Let's bring another LI again, so we'll do nested 2. We'll do nested 2. Alright, so let's save it and then let's refresh. So you can see it, right? Now you can see item 1, item 2, and then you can see the nested 1, nested 2 under the item 1 and item 2, right? So that's how to nest. Okay, so now you can go on and on. You can even decide to nest an ordered list inside this unordered list again. What I mean is I will come here again, then we'll do what? We'll do OL again, our ordered list. Then we'll introduce our list item, our LI. We can decide to say nested. So we'll save and then we'll refresh. You see it, right? So basically that's the idea of nesting. Okay, so you can do this on and on and on again, depending on whatever idea you're working on. Okay, so that will be the end for today's class. See you in our next class. So in our next class will be I'll be introducing us to divs and span. Okay, it's going to be an interesting one. Thank you.